Tired of team members accidentally messing up project settings or accessing sensitive information? Let's lock that down. First, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Admin Console from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Admin Console. Click on the Members tab to see a list of everyone in your workspace or organization. Find the team member whose permissions you want to adjust and click on their name. This opens their profile. Here, you can adjust their overall role in the organization. Click the drop-down menu to choose between member, guest, or admin. Admins have the highest level of access. Setting someone as a guest limits their access to only the projects they're explicitly invited to, a great way to increase security. Now, let's talk about project-level permissions. Navigate to the project you want to manage and click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing window, you can control each member's access level. Comment only, can edit and share. Choose the option that best suits their role in the project. You can also remove a member from the project altogether if they no longer need access. Just click the X next to their name. For sensitive projects, consider making them invisible. This ensures that only approved members can join. Mastering Asana's permission settings puts you in control, fostering a secure and productive collaborative environment. Now go forth and conquer your projects.